Welcome back, guys, to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk finally about Chia potential targets for 2023 at the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Oldest chart on a max weekly time frame listed in April 2021. One more time, this was the end of bull run, and personally for me it's fun how they launch a lot of new good project exactly by end of bull run, because all these big players, they know when in and when out, or when launch the coin, because lowest point at a listing for Chia was 300 per coin, and the highest point was on a max 2,751. So imagine from 2K, even 2K 500, we drop it down to $29. So it's weird. It's weird. What's the point of this listing, exactly at the end of bull run? But we got what we got. So based on this Fib, let's go to the daily time frame. I would like to show you more clearly. Look, a long time period we traded in 27 zone. It's crazy. I never seen the longest trade here. Here the first touch, almost touched it here in June 2021. But from let me check. Date range from September 2021, we are now over than 695 days in 27 zone. It's crazy, it's crazy. This coin lay down at the bottom and nobody pay attention for this one, and we'll double check on indicator what's going on. Like you remember, we got this crazy major news. So Chia network submits registration to US SEC for a proposed IPO. So it's more bullish than bearish, in April 2023. You remember they updated the roadmap. So basically, I truly believe in Chia. I'm not sure we will beat this high in this cycle, but some average price, yes, we can hit for sure. Let's take a look on this daily time frame, and this Fib is relevant because look, if we zoom out, here's a top, here's a drop, support, bounce, test exactly 61 level by Fib. And collapse down to 27 zone. So all these red blocks, it's a monthly gaps. So now we can zoom out. So look at this chart. Nobody care about the Chia, Nobody care about the Chia. Zero interest. But this time period, you will see on indicators that the whales accumulate a lot. So yes, we are now in the 27 zone, so this is a huge range between the 147 till even we can add 10 for Chia. So everything possible, we're exactly in the middle. So if we use the range here based by Fib, so this is a magic. We drop it down exactly to 61 level by Fib. Here, rejected at 0.5, rejected at 0.5. So one more time, we can test and sweep these lows of November 2022. Here, 24.93. It was lowest point 25 and 1 cent. So we can sweep 24.93. So this will be more than good, for this range, and we just still in the range. I don't think so. We'll drop to 71 level by Fib of this range, add 10 for Chia. No, but everything can possible. Everything can possibly in this space. The bullish target now, it's monthly gaps, higher time frame, the strongest signal. The first one, what we can sweep really soon, I think it will be $64 retest and going higher too. Psychological price for Chia will be 100. At 100, a lot of people will open a limit orders to sell because nobody believes in this project, and 100, it will be only beginning of this monthly gap. So we got this stop losses, and definitely we can retest 18 level by Fib. Only retest. So now we're in accumulation. So it's not a right time to sell Chia. Believing you or not in this coin, it just can be just speculative coin like any other. So the market maker can just deliver the price to the target, making money and going out, so it's simple. So we not talk about fundamental of this coin, yes, fundamental can be amazing. Roadmap can be amazing, but we just talk about the possibilities of the price action. If we take a look on weekly, so The only zero level and fulfill of monthly gap will be at 547. So this target. So 544, 47, it's only zero level. So after this, we can see something like this one and go into the main target. Main target for Chia can be, it's more than real. It's not some hopium, you know, all higher gaps already done. So the road will be open to close fulfill of this one and liquidate these guys, these stop losses, or like you can see one more time, the magic, 50% of this weak candle, it's exactly 0.5 level by Fib, 1,647. So this is how it works. This was about gaps on a monthly and Fibs. Now let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1. On ADZ, like you can see, Chia never ever been in here in the distribution zone. In massive distribution zone. Some distribution was here in April 2023, but it's nothing, little nothing. That's why, believing you or not, 500, 1K, 100, 1K, 600, it's more than a real prices for Chia network. You know, this is a huge accumulation. I guess we never seen the biggest accumulation ever. So from August 2022, 2021 till January 2023, somebody accumulate this coin. On a weekly time frame. On a monthly, you can see we formed the monthly divergency. So this was a price at 35. We drop it down, crazy drop it down till 27, you know, 24, 25. And here's a pure divergency on a monthly. Somebody accumulate a lot. Distribution will be when we will see the same story, but the divergency on the monthly time. So it can be on a monthly, just hypothetical, like this one, you know, and going down. And it can be like this one. Here's going up, here's going down on ADZ, where the big players start distribute, you know, because I think they will start distribute from around 600. Let's take a look on a weekly. Yes, it's accumulation. Let's take a look on direction. The whales start accumulate now so hard. They on a weekly, on a daily. We got here accumulation. So just for information, 28, for example, it's good entry for whales. Here, 26 is good entry for whales. So here, 30 is good entry for whales. So they accumulate step by step, you know, no rush. And we need to see some top here to start distribute Chia. And on a monthly, we just lay down on the bottom. We never seen the top for Chia. So I think Chia will overperform many coins in this bull run. Let's take a look on market mode. On a market mode on monthly, nothing special. On weekly, accumulation. This belief zone, March 2022, June 2022, August 2022, January 2023. Total disbelief zone here. Now we're in the cold blue mode. So, of course, for a coin like this one, it's not a big difference. Are you buying at 50, for example, or 26? So for whales, it's not a big difference. Yes, we have a chance to drop much lower, you know, and we have a chance pump higher. We talk about investments, and you have to mark your entry, average entry. You never get the bottom and never sell the top. So mark your entry and mark your exit step by step. So now it's a good time to accumulate Chia. Trade on the weekly. The main force signal to buy on the weekly was here at 35, at 39, at 29, and 28. Here was a recommendation close position. So now no signal to sell or buy. So all this signal is the main one. And last indicator, what I would like to show you is take profit. Take profit on the weekly. What we can see now? We traded under fundamental price. So look, fundamental value of this coin in January 2023 was at $97. Then we collapsed it down. To 26.90, and we trade under fundamental price. Yes, we can drop one more time, sweep liquidity, sweep these lows, and touch a fundamental price 23.52. This will be the good entry. Take profit now at first local fulfill of monthly gap. It's 62.69. So this one. But all lines are dynamic. And even after this sweep, you know, we can start forming like this one, retest the buy line and going much, much higher. So this is what about Chia. For long run, I definitely bullish about Chia. I can hold this token for long run, you know, even for next bull run. Because I think Chia will overperform many other coins, you know. And this is a first target where I can maybe withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins and ride till next 5 years maybe. We will see. Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free trading view plan. Guys, I hope you like this video about Chia. Write please in a comment what is your price target for Chia network. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.